Hi, my name is Wilson Withiam, and I'm a judging and bounty steward this year at ETHDenver 2021. We're doing things a little differently this year. Aside from going virtual, we have one main track and 3 bounty categories. Everyone will compete in the open track. The teams can also submit their projects to the Impact or Advancing Colorado bounties. Teams may also submit up to 10 additional projects to sponsor bounties for either prizes or recognition. We have a long list of sponsor videos coming up, showcasing their bounties. As a quick reminder, be sure to read through the Biddler Prep Guide, which has all the details for ETHDenver 2021. You'll find a link for it in our judging page. If you're still looking for a team, join us at the Team Formation Icebreaker events this Thursday, February 4th. We'll have one at 9 a.m. Mountain Time and a second one starting at 4 p.m. All right, stay tuned for the sponsor videos, and I'll see you at ETHDenver.
Hello ETHDenver, I'm JK and I lead strategy and operations at Stakefish. Stakefish is a staking service provider for proof-of-stake blockchains and application middleware. We work closely with our sister company ETHDenver, which runs a mining pool for Ethereum. Now this is going to be a pivotal year for Ethereum miners. Miner extractable value is becoming a really important discussion point, and EIP 1559 is really right on the horizon. So we really wanted to explore these two topics a bit more. So for our bounty this year, we want to incentivize you, the ETHDenver participants, to choose one of these two topics, either choosing to look at how MEV has been impacting Ethereum miners, or choosing to look at how EIP 1559 might impact miners in the future. We're offering a 10.5k USD prize to the submission that has the highest quality of visualization with a powerful story to go along with it. I am really excited to see what you could come up with, and please feel free to reach out to me with any questions. I wish you the best of luck.
Hey everybody, I'm John Powell, Executive Steward of Opolis. I'm here with Josh Lapidus, our Membership Steward, and we're going to talk about bounties for Opolis. So just to kick it off, we've got some really interesting things. To start with, we've got a FIO integration, which is a FIO request. So FIO Protocol is also a sponsor of ETHDenver, and we're partnering with them to incentivize the community to build that actual connection to where the Opolis members can invoice or be invoiced in cryptocurrency to remit their payroll in cryptocurrency as opposed to fiat currency. So that's the first one. So Josh is going to talk a little bit about our work token, which is actually being announced at ETHDenver. So Josh, tell us about what we have up for that.
So the work token can also be earned by referring people to become members of the cooperative. We have a referral mechanism in our token design that we're looking to automate cryptographically. We're currently tracking this analog and would like to entirely decentralize the process for earning the work tokens via those referrals. We're looking for a generic spec for the referral program for the work token. John?
Cool. Thanks, man. So the next thing we've got is part of your membership. It's a legal framework that actually issues you 1 share of stock. It's a limited cooperative association underneath the decentralized technology. And as that stock, we want that stock to also act as your membership. So we want to create an NFT with unique customizable art that members can actually have in their member dashboard. So we want to see somebody build the initial framework to actually wrap that whole process into one thing, where that NFT token is a unique token to you, non-transferable, and can be applied to your membership for access into the commons. Josh, what do we got next?
That sounds really neat. We're also going to be creating an open API, and we're looking to get to know some developers in the space who are familiar with this particular activity, and we're always looking to grow our team. So for this, we're looking for a spec for an open API.
Exactly. So Josh mentioned that we're always looking to increase our team and to find interested people in the future of work. So if you're a developer and interested in seeing the future of work come to reality in the form of the framework of the Opolis Employment Commons, the global public utility infrastructure for the future of work, we'd love to learn more about you and engage with you. So we'll see you around ETHDenver, and take care.
Hi, all you Bufficorn and Sport Marmot lovers out there. I'm Russell Castanero, the Digital Transformation Director at the Office of Information Technology here in Colorado. And this is my daughter, Lulu.
Hi, we are so excited to be a part of ETHDenver for the second year. This time, we have set our sights even higher, and judging from the number of you who have registered, you are too.
I look forward to the ETHDenver community helping us navigate and define the frontiers of digital statehood. Government operations have been pretty static over the last 30 years. And in the 2000s, we started adding online services, but otherwise, not much is new. With Web3 and blockchain technology, for the first time, technology can really change the way government operates, services are delivered, and improve the experience for constituents.
Our most immediate need is your ideas to help divert government interactions from in-person to virtual ones. We think leveraging digital ID, My Colorado, will be the linchpin in this effort.
Look, we have teed everything up for you. Governor Polis has declared that Colorado is in blockchain for the win. Legislators have passed multiple laws promoting blockchain technology. Our Commissioner of Securities, Tung Chan, is a rock star and used to be the general counsel for the Ethereum Foundation. We have the most dedicated, amazing community of blockchain and Web3 savvy folks living, loving, and coding here in Colorado. And of course, the first state-backed digital ID with My Colorado and Colorado Digital ID. We have 16 hackathon bounties, which we hope you'll go after and blow our minds. Ideally, you'll stack those with other projects to expose completely new approaches. And we've got greenfield pitches this year, and these are big ideas that we're hoping the community can help us with. We'll be looking for short pitches on how to address these problems. I cannot wait to see what you come up with next week. How about you?
No, I can't wait.
And get this, we'll be working with the ETHDenver Foundation, so once ETHDenver is done, you might be able to continue your project funded in the ETHDenver Incubator Program, and maybe even with the state of Colorado as your first case study. So help us redirect in-person interactions to virtual ones, define digital statehood, and reimagine state government. It's no small ask, but as a 4-time ETHDenver participant, I know that you're up to it. Thanks.
Hi everyone, my name is Sergey, I'm co-founder of OneInch, and I'm going to present our bounties for the ETHDenver hackathon this year. So we are offering $10,000 in OneInch tokens for the most innovative ideas. The first bounty is about we wish to see a backtesting simulator for our liquidity protocols with visualizations and earnings and volumes. Second one is realization of OneInch network, token distribution among wallets, for example, how many tokens are stacked in governance and pools, user earnings for governance, rewards, and pools, what happens with earned tokens, who sells, who stake, who, and how much provides liquidity in OneInch liquidity protocol. The next one is implement some smart contract that can use approvals on OneInch. Since our smart contract is a proxy, so you don't have to pass an audit if you use our front smart contract as a proxy. The next one is visualize unique OneInch specific metrics. And this last one is open track. So feel free to deliver innovations. We judge on innovation, technical complexity, and user experience. Feel free to reach our team for any help anytime. Thanks.
What's up, folks? I'm Jarrell.
And I'm Yaz.
And we're over at C Labs, one of the core teams behind the Celo ecosystem. We're going to go over the Celo bounties that we're offering here at ETHDenver this year, ETHDenver 2021, and they're pretty cool. So just give you a little background and a little tease. But the first one's called Port the Unicorn, and as you mean, no surprise to anyone, we're interested to see what magic from Ethereum you can redeploy. 2 prizes of $500, and the Lore and DApp kit are encouraged, but go wild, see what you got.
Awesome. Next up, we have You Had Me at Celo, 2 prizes for $500. What we're looking for here is social impact. So anything related to the mission alignment at Celo, any project maybe with micro lending, universal basic income, basically anything that can really help people around the world is something we'd like to see in that category.
Yep. And then following that, we have a bounty called the Presswitch Special, which if you know James Presswitch, you know he's all about interoperability, and we're all not really into tribalism. So we hope to see Celo intertwined with all the most vibrant ecosystems. This bounty is for $500 to one winner, and it's really on anything that's like a chain agnostic tool or really anything interoperability focused, and really excited to see what people start thinking of for the Celo ecosystem.
Yeah, I'm really excited about that one. Next up, we got Cheers, Governor. One prize for $500 governance tools. What we're looking for, any kind of innovation that you have with Celo voting for the user. Like if it's a user experience that improves, voting for the user or allowed them to stake better from their phone, from their web wallet, whatever, we'd like to see it. Next up, we're going to go over all the bonus bounties that we have.
Yeah, the bonus awards. So these are some awards that are going to go out to whoever's making some innovative or just truly like kind of unique things, right? So the first one, we have 2 grand prizes. They're called the Big Cheese Awards. And this is 2 prizes for $1,000 each. So anyone can win this award, no matter which bounty you went after, whether it's Cheers Governor, the Presswitch Special, anything. You went after it, now you've been entered into the Big Cheese running.
Awesome. Next up, we got the People Choice Award. So this one, we're going to put up, submit your project. We're going to put it up on Twitter up for a poll, and the most popular project on Twitter's poll wins. It's a popularity contest, but it's also another category that you can hit for $500.
Yeah, I mean, popularity pays. So the last award we are going to be offering out is really to incentivize those who are like just really native building on Celo. So the OG Celo bonus goes out to the best original Celo app, and there's 2 prizes of the OG Celo bonus, so $500 each. Valora and our DApp kit hosted on our website, feel free to use those. Valora is our native mobile wallet. Go wild, go crazy. I'm really excited to see what everyone has, and this is going to be a fun year.
Awesome. Yeah, we're really excited to see what you all build. And if you have any questions, we're available on Discord, and come find us at the venue. We're more than down to hang out and chat.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Michael Senek, co-founder of Ceramic Network. Ceramic's mission is to enable a trusted and open data web free of silos, one where identities and information are controlled by users and portable across apps and platforms. For ETHDenver, we're offering bounties on 2 exciting new technologies. First, Ceramic is a public, permissionless, censorship-resistant network for managing mutable content on the open internet. Ceramic combines IPFS, libp2p, blockchain, DIDs, and standards for authenticated data to give developers the ability to build completely serverless apps using dynamic, decentralized data. And second, IDX, a cross-chain and cross-platform identity protocol built on Ceramic, provides a decentralized and user-centric way to manage identities, profiles, social graphs, and application data online. IDX allows devs to give users control while completely breaking down data silos between different platforms. For our bounties this year, we wanted to give hackers a lot of choice and flexibility when deciding what to build, so we kept them intentionally very open-ended. We're offering 4 prizes for the best use of Ceramic, 4 prizes for the best use of IDX, 2 prizes for building developer tooling on Ceramic, like an Explorer, 1 prize for the best use of Ceramic for social features, like chat and forums, and lastly, we're co-sponsoring a bounty with Textile for the best use of Ceramic and/or IDX with any of the products made by Textile, like buckets, threads, or Powergate. Good luck to all the hackers this week, and we look forward to seeing what you build.
ETHDenver, what's up? My name is Peter Abilla, and I'm with Harmony Protocol. Harmony is an EVM-compatible sharded layer 1 chain with 1,000x cheaper gas fees than other chains, 2-second block times, and all the tooling that you're used to on Ethereum, you can use in Harmony. Harmony is really focused on cross-chain interoperability, and we currently have an Ethereum to Harmony bridge with Bitcoin and Polkadot bridge going on mainnet really soon. This year at ETHDenver, we have 5 bounties, each worth $2,000. So we're giving away a total of $10,000 in prizes. And our challenge is really, really simple. Here's the challenge. Best use of Harmony to Ethereum bridge, and at least 1 other project from the list of sponsors. With over 40 plus sponsors, we're excited to see you guys build on apps on us as well as other sponsors combined. Here's a couple of examples. These are just examples. We want you to come up with your own creative ideas. One example is you can create a savings pool in Harmony that uses our bidirectional Ethereum to Harmony bridge and Aave or Compound. Another example is you could create a subgraph or indexer for a DApp on Harmony using the Graph protocol. Or you can create an NFT trading marketplace or DEX on Harmony using our bidirectional bridge and OpenSea or IPFS. These are just a few examples, and we want you to come up with your own creative ideas. Here are the requirements. It must be open source with a link to your public GitHub repo. You must submit a walkthrough video of your application, publish it on YouTube, and be sure to tag Harmony. Judging criteria: creativity, usefulness, completeness, degree of integration with other projects. That's it. And so the really important part here is we want to see how the degree to which you can create integrated apps using Harmony plus other protocols. And so to the degree to which you can make Harmony more functional by using other protocols and other sponsors' projects, or you can make other sponsors' projects more useful using Harmony, that's really what we're looking for. So we're excited to see you guys build some amazing apps. We are here for you. Be sure to join our Discord. We have developers standing by to help answer any of your questions. Good luck.
Hey everybody, I'm Matt with Consensus. I lead our developer community and also have a focus with our Consensus Quorum enterprise developer community as well. Consensus Quorum, we're going to have a couple bounties. The first one will deal with interoperability between other enterprise blockchains. So we're looking for some non-Ethereum DLTs, for example, some of the Hyperledger suite such as Fabric or even Corda to have some interoperability with enterprise Ethereum with Consensus Quorum. So that's one bounty we're looking to see developers build on. We're also looking for best DApp extension, plugin, or fix on top of Consensus Quorum. So using our Quorum Quick Start or our Kubernetes platform, our Remix plugin, Quorum Cloud, Quorum Truffle, Cake Shop, all these have different toolings for enterprise Ethereum, for Consensus Quorum, and we're looking to see what people can do within that ecosystem and also with the existing Ethereum ecosystem at large. Being that it's EVM compatible, you can pretty much configure anything up to an enterprise private permission network of your liking. In addition, we have Diligence. They're going to be giving out a couple bounties, primarily around Scribble, which is their runtime verification tool for Solidity. And they'll essentially be looking for anyone to add Scribble annotations to Uniswap. And so we'll kind of show some of the repos that you can look through to guide you a little bit more. One of the more fun bounties we'll have is Diligence is doing a design bounty. So I think I'm reading this right, but it's they want a Ethereum. They want to describe Ethereum as a dark forest that you are riding a unicorn to the moon while fighting flying bugs with a lightsaber. So we're looking for something really slick and awesome for different artworks of Diligence. They're doing some new promos and they'll be featured in some of the blogs. So any designers out there, if you want to have some fun with a bounty, we have a pretty cool option there. Then we have MetaMask. MetaMask is doing a choice award. So any dApp on MetaMask that's aiming to perform a public good will be getting a bounty. And we'll list out the prices of the bounties on the website, and you can check that out later. But we're looking for some social good projects using MetaMask. Looking to get more into emerging markets and with the other 99% of the world that has not explored Ethereum yet. So go nuts. We'd love to see your cool, crazy ideas. Next would be Truffle. Truffle has a handful of GitHub issues that they're looking to put some developers behind. We'll list them all out. There's like 5 of them. I believe they're $500 bounty each. And hoping if anybody's been using Truffle tools or libraries, it's a cool time to get connected with the Truffle team and welcome them back into consensus and help attack some of these issues in GitHub. Next, we have Infura. They're looking for a new website that allows a user to swap tokens on Uniswap via their new ITX platform or API. So it's essentially Infura transactions. Feel free to go look through the docs and get a little more information on how that works. We're looking to have some interoperability with Uniswap. It should be quite interesting. One of the other bounties is to pay with the DAI, USDC, or Uni in the form of a widget. And the third bounty is a guaranteed send. So in some situations, it's important to send transactions and be sure that they're mined in a short time frame. We're looking to use ITX, which is the new Infura transactions platform, to kind of solve that. So any insights you may have with Infura, if you've been developing with Infura for a while, this would be a cool time to work with the team and help develop something that's quite new from our side. Lastly, we have AirSwap. AirSwap and we'll say / DeFi. We're looking for for teams to empower peer-to-peer trading, and so this is more broad stroke, but the first bounty from the team is the best Ethereum DeFi project utilizing 2 or more consensus products or projects. So if you go to our GitHub, we have a repo of 300 repos. We also have our product suite on consensus.net. And I've just mentioned all of them. If you see anything that would be interesting to integrate in the world of DeFi, we're very keen to see what creativity can come from the hackathon. So go nuts. The second bounty from AirSwap would be to add a light protocol support to AirSwap CLI. So right now AirSwap supports a light protocol with minimal features to save on gas. However, it doesn't support this protocol, and a CLI command would essentially serve to support this. So if you're interested in creating more developer tooling around AirSwap, this would be a really cool opportunity to kind of dive in. And then lastly, they're looking for a feature around stablecoin swaps. So if you've been bogged down by gas and you're looking to solve this problem for the community, this is a really cool chance to kind of put your heads together and get creative with it.
In a world where a global hackathon has forced all pandemics to be online. Wait, what? Your only hope is to come on down to ETHDenver and win some Near bounties. Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt Locke here from Near, and we have got some awesome bounties for you. We have got the social impact bounty. So we would like to see any projects doing social good, like for example, promoting open source software. We have a $500 prize for that. We have a $500 prize for the Global Citizens Bounty, so projects from other parts of the world and promoting diverse backgrounds. That's a $500 prize. We also have 2 times the Girl Power Prize, which is basically for any team, doesn't have to be on Near Protocol, that has more than 50% women. In the storage department, we have 2 bounties. We have the Near and Ceramic bounty, and that's $500 DAI for all of the best projects that implement both technologies. We have the Near plus Textile bounty. That's $500 for all projects that use both technologies. So we have examples of Near and Ceramic and Near and Textile that we have in our docs. Go to docs.near.org to learn about how to do all this stuff. Okay, we have the Near NFT bounty, so deploy your own store on Mintbase via the Near testnet and do something creative. And yeah, you won some money. That's a 1K prize. We have the Near Blue Sky bounty, and that is 2 prizes for 1K each if you use the Rainbow Bridge or build something amazing on Near. That's my 90 seconds. Win some Near bounties. Blah!
Hello everyone, I'm Francesco, co-founder of Superfluid. At Superfluid, we give your tokens superpowers. By using the Super Token framework, you can upgrade existing ERC20s, giving them new functionalities like money streaming, rewards distribution, and batch calls. Superfluid streams have no upfront capital requirements, and once you open them, they will keep streaming until you close them or run out of funds. They also have no recurring gas costs, making them perfect for recurring payments, salaries, subscriptions, and DeFi perpetual contracts. At ETHDenver, we will be sponsoring with 2 very big prizes for the top application with $2,000 and the second top application with $1,000. We will be judging along the lines of completeness and functionality of the implementation, originality of the idea, and degree of integration with the Super App framework. We will also be giving 4 $500 prizes to the best app using streams, the best DeFi app, the best NFT app, and the most complex Super app. Using the JavaScript SDK and the Super App contracts, you'll be up and running in no time. So visit hack.superfluid.finance and get going with original ideas and finding new teammates. We're super excited to have you join us at ETHDenver this year, building the future of real-time finance together. So see you around the castle and good luck, everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Adam and I'm the Developer Relations Lead at Compound Labs. Our mission is to change the legacy financial system with open source projects like the Compound protocol. And if you haven't heard of Compound, it is an autonomous interest rate protocol infrastructure for developers, so you can build interest rates into your apps that use Ethereum assets. The protocol supports stablecoins like DAI, USDC, and Tether, and other popular assets like WBTC, Uni, and ZRX. We are excited for this year's hackathon. We have a bounty for $5,000 of USDC. The app that integrates Compound with the most useful new financial project that will get our bounty. We're excited to help you out in Discord or in our virtual castle booth. We'll be there to help you out with code and all that good stuff. We're excited to see the new innovations that rise from this year's hackathon. So best of luck to everybody, and we'll see you all soon.
Hey everybody, Brad here from Unstoppable Domains. This is our second time at ETHDenver, so very excited. Of course, it would be great to be seeing everybody in person, but a digital world is the next best thing. So for Unstoppable Domains this year, we have 3 bounties, all related to building decentralized websites. The first one is a video uploader for IPFS. This is something that a lot of people in crypto and on YouTube and in the video creation space are talking about, asking for right now. We think that if this were out there as a tool, we would have hundreds, if not thousands, of people launching websites with videos. So we have a $2,500 bounty for the IPFS video uploader. Our second one is a blockchain domain that can be controlled by a DAO. And so one thing that you can do with blockchain DNS that you could not do with traditional DNS is not have any one owner, no one admin controlling a website. And the way you would do this is you'd put the domain in a smart contract and you would have a voting scheme to determine updates to the website. This is something that we think could be super powerful. Also a $2,500 bounty. We also think that we have hundreds, if not thousands, of people that'd be ready to use this on day one. And then our third, $2,500 for that as well. And then our third bounty is any cool IPFS web application that you can think of that you attach to a blockchain domain. So be creative, come up with ideas here. We're open and willing to listen, offering another $2,500 bounty for that. And just one last piece here. We don't just want you to build these web applications and have that be it. We have an intention to market these, and to market these in particular inside of browsers that support the decentralized web. And there's a lot of coming support in 2021. So we would love to showcase your application and shout it out to the world. Thanks a lot.
Hello everybody, my name is Urban and I work at the Web3 Foundation, where we steward the Polkadot project and its ecosystem. So many of you are probably familiar with what Polkadot is, but in general we like to think of Polkadot as a layer 0 blockchain protocol connecting multiple specialized blockchains into one unified network. So for ETHDenver, we've prepared 2 distinct bounties, one a technical one and one a non-technical one. The technical one is essentially an open hack. You can build anything you'd like for the Polkadot ecosystem. That could be a specialized blockchain, that could be a block visualizer, an NFT app, really whatever you'd like. And the non-technical one is similar to this one. Basically, the sky's the limit. If you want to record a polka-dot song, create a T-shirt, create some awesome memes, anything like that goes, and we're more than happy to see what you can come up with. We also created a hacker guide that can help you along, because diving into a new ecosystem can be quite intimidating. It's filled with resources, contact details, and anything that you need along the journey. These two bounties have $5,000 attached to them. 4.5K go into the technical bounty, and $500 to the non-technical one. So that's it from my side. I wish you all a really good ETHDenver 2021, and happy hacking.
Hello, this is Betty, co-founder of Acala. Acala is a cross-chain DeFi hub and de facto stablecoin platform for Polkadot. It's also a landing pad for Ethereum DeFi dApps to get access to the Polkadot ecosystem, and also the aggregated cross-chain liquidity like Bitcoin. Acala EVM is one module on the Acala network. It enables Solidity contracts to be deployed on Acala and Polkadot with minimum changes. It also offers many distinct features in addition to being faster and cheaper. For example, you can pay fees in any tokens like stablecoin. And there's also an on-chain automated scheduler that enables use cases like subscription and recurring payments. We're super thrilled to be here at ETHDenver, helping Ethereum dApps to open shops on Polkadot and beyond. We have two bounties, worth of a total of $3,000. And first bounty is an easy one. Deploy a dApp on Polkadot using Acala EVM. The bounty worth $1,000. Bounty number 2, build a dApp using Acala EVM with the on-chain automated scheduler function. This is a $2,000 bounty. Imagine what you can do with on-chain automated scheduler. You can now build a charity DAO to accept automated recurring donations. You can also build a Web3 version of Stripe for subscription and payment services, or simply incorporate subscription in your current dApp. We will happily accept contracts you've built for other bounties and prices that incorporate this automated scheduler function. We're here to help you succeed and build a winning dApp at ETHDenver. It also doesn't stop here. We have an intention to share them to the much wider community and support these to launch on Acala and Polkadot. We're super excited to see what you come up with.
Hey guys, this is Aditya from Bioconomy. So Bioconomy offers plug-and-play APIs and SDKs to simplify blockchain transactions. So we want to simplify it for the end users so that Web3 products are easier to use, but also simplify it for developers so that they can implement such improved user experiences much more easily. So for the bounty this year, we have 2 tracks. The first track is you can integrate Bioconomy forward. So this will allow your users to pay gas in ERC20 tokens such as stablecoins. And we believe in this period, this can really help your users save a ton of ETH. The other is an open track, so we want to see your creativity in what you build using our Mexa SDK. This enables gasless transactions or meta transactions. So think about sponsoring gas for your users. And if you build on layer 2 such as Matic or XDAI, then we would sponsor the gas fee for all your users. So this could be something which you can take use of. So we are offering $1,500 for the top projects in each track. And we are looking for projects basically that build a seamless experience that improve the user journey on their dApp. And we want to see how you use Forward or our Mexa SDK or our meta transactions to create user-centric products. So looking forward to some amazing hacks, and good luck, guys.
Hi, I'm Anatoly Resin, co-founder and blockchain architect at Parsec. Parsec mission is to empower blockchain ecosystems with open source tools that will be relevant to blockchain implementations at the deepest possible level. Here in Parsec, we are building client-side blockchain programmability that naturally captures immutable nature of blockchain past and fluid and non-deterministic nature of its current and future state. To be able to achieve that, we created an API and a language how to time travel at the most precise scale through the hierarchical time of blockchain. And we are inviting ETHDenver participants to join us in the journey and even get nice bounties for that. We give bounties for programmers that will create Block Explorer on top of our high-precision block traces. Another bounty goes to those who will provide a prototype for Solidity-like expression evaluator at any given moment of time in blockchain. And note that the ability to inject EVM bytecode is already there. You just need to create a EVM code generator and connect it to our API. And third type of bounties goes to those who are brave enough to try our experimental language for real-time processing of blockchain events. The language that is able to process deterministic past and non-deterministic current and future state of the blockchain. Let's time travel together at ETHDenver. Cheers, yours Anatoly.
Hey everyone, my name's John and I work in ecosystem development with Gnosis. One of our key missions in Gnosis is to build essential infrastructure for DeFi, and one of our products, the Gnosis Safe, helps us achieve this mission. The Gnosis Safe is our multi-sig solution, wallet solution, but we see it more as an account standard for Ethereum for transacting digital assets. That's why our main ETHDenver bounty is focused on the Gnosis Safe. We want developers to build a safe app within our Gnosis Safe interface. What is a safe app? A safe app essentially allows users to interact with any idea or Ethereum application directly from the Gnosis Safe interface. Once an app is added, interacting with that application feels like executing any multi-sig transaction. So to be eligible for the bounty, simply think of an idea, create a safe app, and use our SDK to create that safe app. The judging criteria is we want it to be creative and we want it to be useful as well. So as long as it's a good idea and it's useful, it's good with us, and it doesn't have to be production ready. As long as you can show us what it does and you show what's missing, then it's eligible to get first, second place, or a runner-up prize. So our places are, we have a 5k bounty, and first place gets 1,500, second place gets 1,000, and we have 5 runner-up prizes that we will give 500 each to each runner-up. Thank you very much, everyone, and best of luck.
Hi, I'm Cooper, a developer evangelist at Hedera Hashgraph. We're a public network that's built on the Hashgraph consensus algorithm and governed by some of the leading companies in the world, including Google and IBM. We're thrilled to be part of ETHDenver, and we'll be giving away a $3,000 prize to the best team that does one of the following. Uses the new Hedera token service to issue and manage tokens, implements Hedera as part of an interoperability solution, or integrates our the wrapped version of our native cryptocurrency HBAR. Let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to a great event.
Hey, I'm Ryan with NewCypher, and thanks for checking in our bounty. So at NewCypher, we envision a society in which every individual can assert their right to privacy, one which is fundamentally more free, robust, and equitable. We believe that unconditional privacy is a fundamental human right, and NewCypher was founded to empower individuals to assert that right in the digital age. So what is NewCypher? In short, NewCypher is cryptographic infrastructure for privacy-preserving applications. A little more detailed answer, NewCypher is a decentralized cryptological network offering accessible, intuitive, and extensible runtimes and interfaces for secrets management and dynamic access control. If you're building a dApp, I'd like to think NewCypher's current product offering as the privacy and access control layer in that dApp stack. Some examples could be games. Think of encrypted NFTs, sealed deck tournaments, decentralized encrypted Dropbox, maybe using some sort of decentralized storage like IPFS or Swarm or SIA. Encrypted social media dApp, encrypted Snapchat, think of something like this. Decentralized password management, decentralized streaming, think of encrypted Spotify or Netflix. So we have some great news for the hackers just in time for ETHDenver. We just introduced Links, which is a long-term stable testnet that's meant for application development and builders. Check out docs.newcypher.com and search for Links. You'll find the release notes and get the information there. For the bounty this year, our ETHDenver bounty is $3,000 USD. Prize can be split up between multiple teams depending on the submissions, and the NewsCypher judges have the final say. We'll award the prizes for the most interesting project built using the NewsCypher network. Submission requirements, you must A, use NewsCypher technology in your submission, and B, must have an open source license. We'll be looking for things like novelty of use case, difficulty of technical implementation, and the usefulness of the submission. We'll also have a co-bounty with Textile this year, so stay tuned for more info on that. As a 4-time sponsor of ETHDenver, we look forward to seeing familiar faces and meeting new ones, albeit digitally. We'll be at the table, our digital booth in the Mountain Chill Zone, so come find us there. And as always, hit us up in our NewsCypher Discord for help, and of course the official ETHDenver Discord. Thanks again, and happy hacking.
Hey there, it's Ryan from Teller, and I'm here to tell you about a couple bounties that we put together for ETHDenver. For those of you new to Teller, we're a decentralized Oracle network that utilize a network of staked miners to submit values on chain. So the first one is build a project using Teller as the Oracle. So pretty straightforward, but we wanted to leave a little bit of the imagination to you guys here. Some of the things we'll be looking for are the quality of the dApp. Is this a good use case for the Oracle? The robustness of the implementation. For example, did you use best Oracle practices? Did you accommodate for disputes? Things like that. The prizes here are first place gets $1,500, second place will get $1,000, and third place will get $500. Now, the other bounty is actually for Chorus, which is a new project put together by the Teller team that utilizes Teller as an Oracle. So Chorus is actually a semi-stablecoin community currency project where users can set their own variables like the inflation rate or the collateralization ratio, and then deploy their own notes, which is essentially their own community currency. And things we'll be looking for are, did you deploy the contract? Did you compose a light paper that specifies a strong use case? And we're also going to be looking at the creative logic used to implement Chorus. So in terms of issuing the notes, how you're issuing them, or for example, if you set the owner address as a DAO. Up to 3 of the best entries will be awarded $500 each. So that's it. We're really looking forward to see what you guys put together, and happy hacking.
Hello, this is Andrew Hill with Textile.io. We build developer tools to make it easy for you to build cool stuff on IPFS and Filecoin. We have some great bounties lined up this year. Check them out. If you're building on IPFS or Filecoin using one of Textile technologies, we've got $5,000 in bounties up for grabs. First, we have a couple of bounties for the best use of Buckets. Buckets is object storage over IPFS with Filecoin integration. We have a couple of bounties just for the best use of Filecoin overall in one of our technologies, either the Textile Hub, where you can use remote Filecoin APIs, or with PowerGate, which is our developer stack for building on Filecoin in really interesting ways. A couple bounties for using our PubKey mailboxes or our shared database over libp2p. We're super excited to offer a joint bounty with Ceramic Network to see what you can do with these two technologies together. Next, we're teaming up with Near Protocol to see what innovative things you can build with the Near blockchain and IPFS or Filecoin storage offered by Textile. Next, we think there's some really exciting projects that could be built combining proxy re-encryption from NewsCypher and Textile buckets or Filecoin APIs. Textile is really excited to see what you build. Good luck.
Hi, my name is Eva. I support Filecoin dev grants and work on the ecosystem stuff at Protocol Labs. Filecoin's mission is to be a robust foundation for humanity's data. It's a decentralized storage network that can verify that a unique replica of your data is being continuously stored on a physical disk somewhere in the world. Our mainnet launched in October, and we have a slew of developer tools to help you get started using the protocol. Filecoin doesn't have smart contracts yet, so we're excited to see projects integrating Filecoin with Ethereum. For ETHDenver, we proposed a wide range of bounties with multiple prizes in many categories, including just trying out tutorials and suggesting improvements, storing Unity games on Filecoin using Slate.host, which is a really easy to use Filecoin GUI and API, building really nice, simple websites to store things on Filecoin, trying out some of our developer libraries and the MetaMask Filecoin plugin. And then we have bigger bounties for more intense projects like, how would you build a storage DAO to crowdfund and control datasets on Filecoin? integrating open source backup tools with Filecoin, and creating an Ethereum registry of CID block lists, aka CID deny lists. And of course, best use of Filecoin for anything you want. For the bigger bounties, we'll take the best examples that are open source in each category. And there are multiple prizes available in the smaller categories. DM me on Discord at Eshon, E-S-H-O-N, if you have questions or need help. Also note that IPFS also has their own list of very cool bounties, including ones for Brave and Opera with IPFS, a libp2p DHT node visualizer, best use of IPFS, IPFS for gaming, software assets, DIDs, and many more ideas. We look forward to all of your hacks on Filecoin and IPFS and are excited for the future. Good luck!
Hello everyone, I am Iulia Popescu with Casper Labs. Casper Labs is soon launching a public blockchain for the builders, an open source, permissionless, decentralized, and scalable first layer protocol for builders like you. We have so much admiration for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other blockchain pioneers, and we want to do our part for a decentralized future. So we are so excited to be here with you at ETHDenver, and we have 3 different bounties to offer. The first bounty of 5,000 DAI is for demonstrating social key recovery with Casper. We'd love to see applications recovering from lost or stolen keys and managing transactions with multiple signatures. We are offering 2 other prizes for 2,500 each for finding bugs with our developer ecosystem and tools. We'd love for you to play and try to break the Casper Labs SDK and to play with the sample contracts. I look forward to seeing you online this weekend, and I wish you all a fun and memorable time.
Hi, I'm Unique Dodge from the Unique One volunteer founding team. Unique One is the world's first generation purely decentralized non-profit NFT art marketplace, independently operated by the digital art community. We are built by the community for the community and will be governed by a DAO. User experience is essential for the community. Our focus is on platform accessibility so that all artists can optimize their revenue streams by learning how to mint NFT art. As the decentralized space continues to grow, we are on the lookout for leveraging all the DEX have to offer in the simplest way possible to improve the overall user experience for creators, collectors, buyers, and sellers. So, for our ETHDenver bounty this year, Unique One would like to incentivize the integration of our platform with DEX for on-platform ERC20 swaps. Currently, buyers who are holding other ERC20 tokens and wish to purchase an NFT in ETH will have to go to the DEX and swap their ERC20 tokens for ETH, and then return to the Unique One platform. We want them to be able to swap their ERC20 tokens for ETH and vice versa without leaving the Unique One website. This would provide a much simpler and smoother user experience for the community. The criteria for this bounty is proof of concept. Special attention will be given to the developers who build from the user point of view. We seek a neat end-to-end user experience and limited touchpoints, and a practical interface for seamless onboarding. Bounty is equivalent to 3,000 in DAI. Unique One wishes you the blessing of the Spock Marmot in building your adventures. Come visit us at our booth in the Moon Shield Zone and find out more about Unique One and our upcoming launch of Unique Photo. We are really excited to see what amazing ideas you'll come up with.
Hi, I'm Bill.
And I'm Josh. Welcome to our excellent adventure.
We're the founders of Pool Party, the protocol where DAOs DeFi.
Pool parties are where groups of people pool crypto to save up for big ticket items, run investment clubs, or manage community treasuries, all while earning yield on their party funds.
Our DAOs are natively integrated with IDLE and Aave. but we'd like our users to be able to connect with more of the DeFi world. That's why we funded 2K in bounties, 1K each, to the best 2 teams who come up with awesome integrations between Pool Party and the Yearn, Badger, or Harvest ecosystems.
Teams that want to claim one of these bounties will need to submit a finished smart contract plus test coverage. If you want to do more, cool. But a smart contract with test build out are all you'll need to be eligible for the prize.
Thank you, and we look forward for your submissions.